In this video, we'll show you step-by-step how to create a deal inside Zoho CRM. First, log into Zoho CRM as you normally would. From the top menu, click on Deals. If you've never created a deal before, click Create Deal on the top right corner. A form will appear where you can enter all the deal details. Start with the deal owner. By default, it will be assigned to you, but you can also select any other team member. Next, add the deal name, account name, and choose a type for the deal. You can then enter the expected revenue, lead source, contact name, and amount. Add a closing date. For this tutorial, let's set it 1 week from today. Now, select the stage of the deal. The options will be in your preferred language. You can also add a probability percentage, the next step, and a campaign source. If needed, you can create a new campaign right here. Scrolling down, you'll see the description information section where you can add details about this specific deal. Once everything is filled out, click Save. As you can see, your deal has now been created. From here, you can also send an email. Simply click Send Email, add a subject, type your message, and click Send. A confirmation will appear, and you'll see the email recorded in the deal's history. And that's it. That's how you create a deal in Zoho CRM. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.
Got an idea for a process, product, or business improvement? Share it with us, and we'll map out the next step workflow for execution. Comment or DM us today. We will provide this in 1 hour.